Hello, it's Mr. G, your business teacher. What makes a great leader? Is leadership something people are born with, or can it be developed? The trait theory of leadership suggests that leaders possess certain innate characteristics that make them effective. This theory argues that some individuals are naturally suited to leadership roles due to their personality traits, intelligence, and abilities. Trait theory was one of the earliest leadership theories, focusing on identifying the key attributes that successful leaders share. Researchers studied historical leaders, politicians, and business executives to determine which traits were most common. Over time, studies identified key traits linked to leadership success. Key leadership traits include confidence, intelligence, integrity, communication skills, and resilience. Leaders are often charismatic, decisive, and adaptable. For example, Winston Churchill demonstrated resilience and strong communication skills during World War II, making him an effective leader. In business, Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos exhibit vision, confidence, and risk-taking abilities, which have driven the success of Tesla and Amazon. While trait theory highlights natural qualities, it does not mean leadership cannot be learned. Many successful leaders develop and refine their skills over time. A person may not be naturally outgoing, but can learn to communicate effectively. Someone may not be a born strategist, but can acquire critical thinking skills through experience and training. One of the main criticisms of trait theory is that it does not fully explain why some individuals with leadership traits fail to become effective leaders. It also does not account for situational factors. A leader who thrives in one environment may struggle in another if they cannot adapt. For example, a charismatic CEO may succeed in a startup environment but struggle in a structured corporate setting. Modern leadership approaches combine trait theory with other perspectives, recognizing that leadership effectiveness depends on both personal attributes and environmental factors. Many businesses use leadership development programs to enhance key leadership traits, helping employees become better decision makers and communicators. Trait theory remains influential in leadership studies and is often used in recruitment and talent identification. Companies look for individuals with leadership potential by assessing their personality traits, problem-solving abilities, and interpersonal skills. While some leadership qualities may be innate, effective leadership is a combination of natural ability, experience, and continuous development. Next, we are moving on to behavioral theories of leadership, which focus on how leaders act rather than their personal traits. Thank you for listening to Mr. G. Please like, subscribe, and comment.